No.
Alright.
Don't
Hey, don't trap me. Hey.
You clearly look alive.
Right, Steve, guess what?
Doing?
I don't like your attitude.
You'll fucking lose.
Hey.
You'll fucking
What?
lose if you
Nah,
fuck about
freedom.
it.
Yes, like a ninja.
Oh, look at that. You know what? Jesus ain't got shit on this guy. The penis in his bum to make him like.
Good enemy team there. Pretty good enemy team, actually. Look at that enemy team.
Fluffy. I like little children. You wanna touch my testicles with your mouth?
Wait, everyone. Dom. Liesel.
Thanks for the
You
help.
attack! I hate the gun!
Babidi bibida bo.
Number one boxer, you are terrible at life, Kaiser.
Hey, motherfucker, shut up!
It's like one bit of English is like, hey, shut up.
Everyone, we know where we're going. Right.
Hey,
everyone,
motherfucker.
right. Just want to lay behind here, and then I just
Hey,
want.
you ready? Who's behind me?
Everyone get behind. Everyone get behind here. Actually, I want to do that and then I'll get behind.
Oh, we're so gonna die.
You're all that remains. Finish the mission.
That's Ollie. We're so gonna die. You should have been lying down like me, Dom. You would have survived it.
Yeah, I was jumping over and the killer comes for me, lands in the swimming pool and kills me in Ollie.
I was lying down, so it didn't kill me. You know why it didn't kill me, Dom?
Bringing you home.
As you suck penile.
There's a guy there.
I'm in.
We're inside. Surprise, motherfucker.
There's another one.
What? He's not dead.
He's not.
He's not
Got him.
dead.
Are you fucking
Oh.
kidding?
His death cam. Are you fuck?
There you go, fucking I'm.
I could just hear them raging like, oh fucking.
Wow.
Oh, you can just hear every time you kill them with a. Oh my god. Every time you kill them with a pistol, you can just hear them raging. You kill them with a pistol, they're like,
He
fuck!
jumped. If you're on the jump, you wouldn't have